Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Fit without a key. First, find the small, physical key hidden inside your key fob. Use this emergency key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Simply insert it into the lock cylinder and turn it to gain access to your vehicle. This is the crucial first step to get inside when your fob isn't working. Once inside, make sure all doors are properly closed. Now, take your key fob and physically touch it directly against the engine start/stop button. While keeping the fob pressed against the button, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the engine start/stop button. This method uses the fob's internal chip to bypass the usual remote signal. If your Honda Fit still doesn't start, there are a few things to check. First, confirm your car battery isn't completely dead. A weak battery can prevent ignition. Also, ensure your transmission is securely in park or neutral, as the car won't start otherwise. If the battery is the issue, a quick jump start might be necessary to get you going again. After successfully starting your Honda Fit, it's important to address the underlying issue. Head to a service center to have your key fob inspected or repaired, or simply replace its battery. A new battery is often all that's needed to restore full functionality. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those super durable socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.